Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. Defi bully. Nasa Binkabi. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell. Get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe.
What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Binkabi. This is DeFi Bully. Today we're going to be talking about the PISTON token. The launch is in 10 hours from the time of this video. That's the 28th of March. Early morning. You know what I mean? Depending on where you at. Okay. Eastern, I believe, is 10 o'clock a.m. or 11 a.m. Sorry. And UTC is, I don't know, this is a 10-hour timer. The link will be down below. Click the link, you'll see what's going on. Now, the My Diamond Team version 1 pre-sale, as you see right here, that ended. So this is the pre-sale for the people of My Diamond Team version 2. Now, the way to take part of this pre-sale is to join My Diamond Team version 2 with at least 0.5 BNB. That will give you a pre-sale spot. Now, I believe that the cap for the pre-sale is gonna be hit very fast. So if you want a chance, go ahead, join My Diamond Team version 2, add 0.5 BNB, and you'll be automatically added to the pre-sale on the 28th. So get into that. Time is running very low on that. Piston is gonna be similar to drip. It's like a drip fork. It does pay 1% a day, I believe. And it's just a whole different type of, just the way they set up their whole system. You can see pistons over here. It's just really creative. You earn 1% a day, max payout at 365% of your deposit amount. Reinvest to maximize your APY. So compounding is very good for these type of systems. 5% direct referral reward system. And after 7 days, you can withdraw your initial investment. The first platform of this kind that I've seen personally utilize this. This will be on a Binance Smart Chain. And there's a 10% tax on buys, exchange only, and 10% tax on sales. All right. Do you guys' research. You can check out the white paper on the site. So if you are looking to join the pre-sale, you could use my referral link will be down below. My buddy address is my wallet address, so you could pretty much start with your investment into the My Diamond Team version 2 like that. And I believe this Piston token is definitely gonna like 10x, like Cash Cow, like Splash, like all those other ones that have been popping up. They've been doing very well. I believe this one with 10x, possibly 20x, or even 100x. Like, to be honest, the hype around this is unreal. You can check out their Telegram group. People are very helpful. You can find out like pretty much everything that's going on about it. Also, you can join my new Telegram group. I'll put the link for that down below as well. Bullpen Millionaires. It's a small community, but it's growing. And it's good when you join a community small. So when we're doing giveaways and stuff, you're more likely to win. All right, I screenshot this on my phone and actually added it to here, but just some facts about the pre-sale tomorrow. The pre-sale will be on March 28th. 0.5 into My Diamond Team version 2 is required to qualify for that. The official pre-sale will be the day after, and the launch, I believe, will be, let me just double check on that real quick. The official launch will be April 3rd. Okay. All right, so back here where I was just showing you guys, there's a 400 BUSD limit per wallet for this pre-sale, and there's only going to be 530,000 available. So as you could imagine, the amount of people that I feel like is in there already is going to go pretty fast. So don't make this opportunity pass you, but it's not financial advice. 3 p.m. UTC. There go the time, 3 p.m. UTC. But I believe Eastern is about 11 a.m. And where I am right now is actually 10 a.m. Okay, so it's a 15% discount when you join with the pre-sale. Okay. Wait. Oh, wow. To get into My Diamond Team version 2. Okay, so the limit to get into the pre-sale will be actually at 3 o'clock UTC, 3 p.m. UTC. You won't be able to join the pre-sale with a 0.5 BNB. So make sure you do that now, guys. Use my the referral link I put down below. Get into this. I'm bullish on it. Join the Bullpen Millionaires Telegram group. If you guys want like steps on how to do everything or set up your MetaMask, if you're not sure with that, I'll be happy to help anybody that has questions with that. Okay. All right. And you guys could check this out. Like I said, the Telegram group is pretty good. You can find all the links at this site as well. You can see their roadmap. It's creative. Everything is like car racing. And you can just pretty much just see how everything is done. All right. I ain't got to keep up too much time. Remember, people, it is not financial advice.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.